How to connect Discord account to Epic Games. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to connect Discord account to Epic Games. So first of all, just simply open your Discord account, and after that just simply click on the profile section from the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and from there just simply locate the settings icon from the top right corner. And now just simply scroll down under the account settings option. You will be able to see the option called connections. Just simply tap on it, and now just simply click on the add from the top right corner, and over here just simply scroll down until you will be able to see the option called Epic Games. Just simply tap on it, and now just simply log in into your Epic Games account using your username or your ID and password. And once you are successfully logged in into your Epic Games account, you will be able to see the option called continue. Just simply tap on it, and your Discord account and your Epic Games will be connected successfully. So this is basically how simple it is to connect Discord account with Epic Games. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.